In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set alarm on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Clock app, which is normally pre-installed on any Android smartphone. To do that, I'm gonna swipe up to go to the app library, and then here I'm gonna search for Clock, just like that. That's how we can easily find that app. If you cannot find it here, it means that you need to go to the Google Play Store, then search for it, and then first off you need to install it on your device. I have already this app installed, so now I'm just gonna tap right here and that will open up the app. Here at the bottom we can see that we got several tabs here, such as alarm, word clock, stopwatch, and timer. So here make sure you are at alarm tab. Here I already have some alarms that are currently inactive, and in order to create new one, we need to tap right here at this plus, and first off here we need to select the exact time. Let's say I want to set my alarm for 6:30, so we can easily do so in that simple way. After that we can configure which days this alarm is going to turn on. I'm just gonna choose weekdays here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, just like that. You can configure it on your own way. Also here we can name that alarm. If we tap right here, we'll be able to enter anything here. I'm just going to enter here test alarm. To save it, hit right here. After that we can also continue configuring it. We can set different alarm sound for this alarm. If we hit right there, I'm just gonna choose a ringtone here, and after that we can select different one from this ringtone collection, just like that. Just select different ringtone. And also here down below you can set volume level for this ringtone by dragging it right and left, just like that. After that, also right here we can choose whether or not we would like this alarm to vibrate. We can easily turn on or off vibration by turning on and off this button, and also here we can select different vibration pattern in the same way, just by choosing one from that vibration collection. After that, here we can also configure snooze. Now, as you can see, interval is set for 5 minutes. It means that when we hit add snooze button, it is going to wait for 5 minutes until it will ring again. And here we can change it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or custom. And also down below we can choose how many times this snooze feature is going to repeat. Here we can select 3 times, 5 times, or even forever. And also we can easily turn off this option right from here, and also we can activate or deactivate it from that page by hitting right there at this button. If we scroll down a bit, we can also choose here alarm background. So that's how, if we tap add background, we can set here different one. Let's say I'm gonna choose this gray one, and then to set it we need just to hit right here, and here we go. And now guys, to save the changes, just don't forget to hit right here at this save button, and also keep in mind that in any time you can go back to the app and then you can edit any alarm in the way you want. You can change any option here anytime. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.